In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate SSL on Hostinger step by step. If you've just launched your website and you're seeing that not secure warning in the browser, don't worry. By the end of this video, your site will be protected with HTTPS and secured with an SSL certificate. SSL is essential for security, SEO rankings, and building trust with your visitors. So let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll be taken to the hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel. From here, click on Websites. You'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to activate SSL and click on Manage next to it. Now that you're inside the website management area, look at the left-hand menu. Scroll until you find the Security section. Under Security, click on SSL. This is where Hostinger allows you to manage SSL certificates for your domains. Once you're on the SSL page, you'll see your domain listed there. If SSL hasn't been installed yet, you'll see an Install button next to your domain name. Simply click on Install. Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate, so you don't need to pay anything extra for this feature. If you're following along and you don't see the Install button, but instead see an Uninstall option, that means SSL is already active on your domain. In that case, you don't need to reinstall it, it's already set up. After clicking Install, the activation process will begin. This usually takes a few minutes. In some cases, it can take a little longer depending on DNS propagation, but most of the time it's completed very quickly. During this time, just wait and allow the system to finish setting everything up automatically. Once the SSL certificate is installed, there's one more very important step that I highly recommend. Go back to the Security section and make sure to enable Force HTTPS. This ensures that anyone who visits your website using http:// will automatically be redirected to https://. This is important because even if SSL is installed, visitors could still access the non-secure version unless you force HTTPS. Simply toggle on the Force HTTPS option. Once enabled, your site will always load securely with the HTTPS prefix, and you should see the padlock icon in the browser address bar. After this, I recommend clearing your browser cache or opening your website in an incognito window to confirm that the SSL is working properly. Type in your domain name and check that it loads with HTTPS and shows as secure. And that's it. You've successfully activated SSL on Hostinger and secured your website. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference in protecting your visitors' data and improving your site's credibility. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.